This is 3 Minute Finance, and today we're going to look at the time value of money. And this is just the idea that money today is worth more than that same amount of money in the future. Now, why is that? Well, let's say today we have the choice between $100 that we would receive today and $100 that we would receive 1 year in the future. Now, how do we pick which one? Now, they seem the same, right? It's $100, $100. But if we take that $100 today, we can put it in the bank, earn some kind of interest on it, say 3%, and a year from now, it's worth $103. Now, that's the future value of the money, and we have to compare them by looking at them at the same point in time. So if we want to compare money, we have to look at the future value versus the present value, and just kind of age them or discount them based on that. Say it's in the future, we can discount it back to today, or age it back to the future. Whatever it is, we just have to compare them at the same point in time. Future, past, whatever it is. Now let's talk about formulas. It'll make this make a little more sense. So let's look at the formula. The future value, which is used to translate dollars today into dollars in the future, is just the present value times 1 plus the interest that we'd make. This is what we did intuitively, where we said we're going to earn the interest and we're going to have the original amount. Now, if we divide by 1 plus the interest rate, we can get the present value. We'll just manipulate this formula and have another formula. So, we'll divide by 1 plus the interest rate, and we'll throw that over on the other side to get the present value. Present value is just the future value, or next year's value of the money, divided by the interest value that we could make, 1 plus the interest rate. And that'll discount it back in time. Now, let's look at this in context. We'll go back to our choice between money. Before, we took the $100 and aged it in the future using the future value. What if we get the present value of that $100 that we would have received? What is that going to be equal to? Let's compare them at t equals 0 today, the present value of both. Now, the present value of our first $100 is just $100, but the present value of the other $100 1 year in the future, let's try that. So, we'll take our future value is $100. We'll divide it by 1 plus the interest rate. So $100 divided by 1.03 is $97.09. Now let's check our work. We'll take $97.09, put it in the bank, earn our 3% on it, and in interest, we'll earn this $2.91. We'll add it back to our initial value, and there's our $100 back. Now this is the way it works. You can move things forward and back in time, and this is how bank loans, stocks, and bonds can be evaluated. This has been 3 Minute Finance. Thanks for watching.